So this is the ad, and you set it all up. We go back over here, and then I look a bit deeper. Okay. Video viewers will always be more because I get a lot of views on my channel. Comparatively, it's not in millions yet, but it will be hopefully very soon. Compared to the number of visitors to my site, I've got 101 people conversions. A conversion is when somebody goes and visits my blog. All right, so I want to be absolutely clear. This is not somebody signing up. All I need is somebody to come to my page. This is what it is: Ask Uzair blog page view. So when somebody sees that page view, that is classified as a conversion. This is double the price of that one. So I can look at scaling it if I can, because the conversion rate is almost not quite double, but 57% compared to 39. Cost is neither here nor there. I mean, this hasn't spent anything at all. I mean, in Google terms, 121 pounds is still not a lot. So, when you guys are saying, I haven't got much budget and I want to get started with Google Ads, do something like this, but you need to be patient. I'm building up my brand. I'm not expecting immediate results right now. I want to get known. And this is the cheapest and the most economical way, because look, 8,000 clicks I've got. 8,763 clicks for a price or a sum of what, 121 pounds. Everybody can afford to spend 100 pounds for the website. Now, if you are an affiliate marketer, you are driving traffic to your website or landing page, this is how you do it. This is where you can get a lot of impressions. Almost 500,000 people have seen me. And the CTR is, look, for a Google, display campaign is very healthy. Almost 2%, 2.5%. This is usually 0.25% on GDN, or 0.3% if it's good. It's pretty good, and at 1p CPC. So that's how we run these campaigns. When you started your campaigns, what interest you targeted and which interest you are targeting now? Well, I'm targeting all my video viewers and website visitors, so I'm remarketing back to them again and again. So you guys might see my ads popping up all the time.